Today I got to work on this Kia fender. You know, in retail work, especially in this spot right here, you really have to consider the customers passing by it every time.
As you can see, the peak of that body line was completely flattened. And when it's that flat, you really have to have a strategy for bringing that out without beating it up. Because once it gets to the surface, it has to be as true as the factory original right next to it.
Okay, all done with this Kia. And those of you who saw the live, you know, I showed the whole thing. And I really emphasize, you know, keeping your instructors, you know, pretty fair with you, and that's you want them to show you their work on black and on a live, so they're not cutting away and doing some sanding or anything. You want to see the truth, because you're spending so much time learning this, so much money learning this, and you're taking their word for it. So I wouldn't do it. You want to see the perfection if they can do it. And this is the best I'm going to do on this repair. Let's start out with some lines here. Let's go look at this side. You know, lines are great, but it's just showing you one angle. You know, I mean, to do it right, you have to do both angles. You have to do this angle, and you got to do this angle. That's to be fair. If you're seeing angles in one shot like this, that's not being truthful. You really have to look at it like this as well. All right, so let's take a look in the natural. And I left the mark here from the original hit, so you can see that I didn't do any heavy sanding, buffing, or anything. I just take the dent out, and I don't damage the clear coat any way. And why that's important is because if you're working on vintage cars from the past, you don't want to burn their clear coat on those classic cars, and you don't want to especially do you know, any type of heavy buffing and sanding on the body line. You don't want to learn that. All right, let's look at some real detail, and this is what's important. If you're going to be trained by anyone, you want to ask for 4K setting on their phone, and you want to see detail in the repair. Here's my detail. And then like this. That's as best as I'm going to do. You want to see original orange peel. That's really important. You don't want to see it flattened out from sanding. And if you look across the street at that window, and that's all I do is I fix that image. And that's how I fix this dent. So there it is. And that's clean. That's what you want. You want super clean work. You want to be shown super clean work. And you want to get that from your instructor who's teaching you paintless dent repair. You know, hold them to task. Tell them, hey, I want to see your last repair last week. Anything black, anything aluminum, I want to see it. If they say, well, I don't work on dents anymore, I'm a professional trainer, I don't know. I wouldn't believe it. I would say, if you're great at doing this, you're getting work like crazy, you're getting the money you want. Professional trainers, I don't think, you know, they're telling you straight up what it's about if they're not really working on cars. So it's really important, if you want to learn this, that you're being trained by someone who's actually doing the work. All right, that's my rant. Trying to just get people involved in paintless dent repair that really want to learn this, and that's all I can offer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.